Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneBeat Swim Lite and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the sound from your headphones, others or is intermittent. So, actually, the first thing that you need to do is that you need to try connecting your headphones to a different device. Like, different, maybe some computer, laptop, tablet, it doesn't matter. You need to check if you've got the same lags, sound lags in a different device. If you do, the problem is located in your device, in your phone, like private phone, not in the headphones, so it's a different field. You need to try fixing your phone by restarting it or doing some weird things. You can search or channel for tutorial like this, but if the issue is located in your headphones, you need to fix your headphones, of course. And how to fix your headphones. The first thing you need to do is trying to charge them up to 100%. Here we've got our charging pad. You need to try charging them up to 100%. If charging didn't help you, you need to perform a factory reset. You need to hold this button right here and this button right here, this circular one and this plus, simultaneously for 5 seconds till you see that LED light going crazy and you'll see that this is the factory reset. That should actually fix your issue. If it didn't, you need to contact the device support to have it fixed. Bye.